Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum. My name is Hassan and today we are going to create custom add to cart URL for simple product in WooCommerce WordPress. Before starting work, it's my request, please subscribe my channel. Thank you. Now back to our work. Now we are in WooCommerce setting and then you see product tab. So click on it. Scroll down. You see add to cart behavior. So enable this option. Enable Ajax add to cart button on archive and scroll down, click on save changes and then on left side you see products, so click on it. Now scroll down, hover on product and then you see product ID 2202 2041. So we are going to create custom add to cart URL for simple product. So this is our simple product, open it and this product ID is 2041. Now go to product page and then we are going to create custom URL. Now go to edit page. So this is our button and then we are going to add link. Now paste. Now you see this is our website link and then you see question mark add to cart and then you see 2041. So this is product ID. Now you see format question mark add to cart and then product ID. So we added this link in button. Now you see and then click on update. Now go to page and refresh the page. Now click on add to cart product. Now you see product is added. Click on view cart. Now you see product added 2041 product ID. So currently product added with one quantity. Now you see. Now go to edit page. Now duplicate. Now this is quantity 3. Now we are going to add product in cart 2041 with quantity 3. If you want you can add your number. Again duplicate, right click and click on duplicate. If you want to redirect product to cart, now in URL just add cart page link. Now you see cart. So this is format. This is our subfolder. Now you see this is cart page. Then add to cart with quantity. And if you want to go checkout page, again duplicate. Now replace cart with checkout. Now you see, so this is format and you will find all link in video description. So I hope you like this video. Please like, comment, share, subscribe. Thank you for watching.